So this is part 2 of the jrod graphics series, and this is the Explorer set, and the set comes with decals for 2 Explorers for your, if you have 2 Explorers like I do. And pretty much, as you can see, it gives Explorers for details to the number 4 Explorer and decals to make a number 5 Explorer as well. And right out of the gate, you can see that they've darkened, the set comes with darkened Explorer logos. Here, we'll use this one at close up, Explorer logos like this. And it comes with wheels decals as well, enough for 2 vehicles. And it also comes with a number 5 decal, a number 5 license plate, and this surprised me. It came with the decals for the computer screens as well. It comes with 2 of them. There's one there, and then there's one in the back as well. Here's the other side of the graphics of the Explorer. It has the same thing, and I kind of messed up on this side. Like, each Explorer has issues of placements, but and oh, I forgot, it also comes with these little black wedges you can put inside your wheels, so you don't have to paint them like I did, if you would rather do that to your wheels. So that's an option. And with applying the size stickers I found, which is kind of cool, if you don't feel like painting like the Explorer all over again with gradients and stuff because you're not great at painting, you can, I found that the stickers that are already on here are that you could take like an X-Acto knife or something, or just any sharp object, and you can slice like around the logos, like kind of like that, and they just like peel right off of the Explorer, so you can just use the pre-existing paint job on your Explorer and you can just paste the words on top of it, and kind of like I did here. Same with the numbers. You can kind of see where I cut right here. This is a bad example, but you can kind of see it's peeling and overlapping the lines. I did a poor placement right there. So you can kind of see where you cut it and then place the graphics on there. This is the better side if it's done correctly. You can kind of see where the sticker is right here, and it's cut out, and where you can put the numbers yourself. You can kind of see it here as well. I kind of just did like a box around where the lettering was, and then you just put the decals on there. Same with the park. But yeah, these graphics are pretty cool, and I will say that getting the screens in was really tedious. I recommend if you could take it apart on the bottom, which I didn't do because there's like a hidden screw right behind the wheel, which I couldn't really get into. I didn't feel like marking up the Explorer on the bottom. But if you can take the bottom out, you can remove the top apparently, and you have easy access to the screens that way, which I highly recommend doing if you have the patience to do that. And as you can tell, I also painted windows kind of, and the side view mirrors and the wipers as well. That's kind of from another YouTuber, I forget his name. He has a video on his channel about doing huge customs on these things with lights and adding the antennas on the side. If you have paper clips and stuff, which is really cool, but I don't have. He even had the working lights on him here, which is kind of cool, but I don't have that that experience to do all that crap. And then this is just number 4. You can just have the decals on the pre-existing 4. Just add the tires and do the same thing to the logos and stuff. Keep all the regular plates and stuff. And you can tell this is the first one I did. I figured do practice on the number 4 because number 4 would get destroyed. So I don't know if I'm going to destroy these because I'll have to get another one because I would want a complete number 4 and a destroy number 4. But this is just the first attempt, and right here I kind of like peeled it up and tried to cut it in mid-peel right here and kind of chipped off the red parts here. So over here I just like did the box cutting thing, so that worked out pretty well. And then it also comes with 4 of this computer screen, so you can have just like, you know, have both explorers if you have to. You can do that for 4 and 5, so you can have a complete explorer set now, which is kind of cool. So I appreciate that jrod Graphics did that for the world. But yeah, these are the explorers. They look great. Well, even though mine's kind of sloppy and stuff because I was practice, but number 5 looks good, really good for practice. But yeah, but the decals themselves are great as well. Like I said, I don't remember. They comes with the black circles in there too, so you don't have to paint the wheels like I did. But from afar, they look great. Just when you look at it closely, it's just like, nah. But I recommend getting these. But yeah.